Why measure of central tendency is needed? Say for example, when you have two teams individual data, okay, so with that individual data we will not be able to come to any conclusion. So if we have any measure like central tendency measures like mean, median, etc., then that gives us a picture and we can come to some conclusion. So we'll try to understand why measure of central tendency. One may find data complex either to remember. Simply numbers are there. So series of numbers, understanding it is very difficult. When a comparison between two series is necessary. How will you compare few numbers here, few numbers here? It's difficult. In order to reduce the complexity of data and also make them comparable, it is essential that the data be reduced to one single figure. When a series is reduced to one single figure, then you can compare two teams average, two teams performance, two teams efforts, etc. What is the object of averaging? Objective of averaging is to get a single value to represent the characteristics of the entire mass of data. Second point is to facilitate comparison. What is central tendency? So it is the property of the concentration of values around the center value in the data. What is average? It is the single value that represents the entire mass of data. Why do we need a good average? So that it is easy to understand, simple to calculate. Okay. So we will try to understand the essentials of a good average. It should be easy to understand, simple to calculate. It should have a well-defined mathematical formula. It should not be affected by abnormal extreme values. It should be capable of further algebraic treatment. It should possess sampling stability. So average. Statisticians call this average as arithmetic mean. In simple words, we will see how to calculate arithmetic mean. There are different methods of finding the arithmetic mean. We will go for the simplest method to understand it. Arithmetic mean, if we have to find, so arithmetic mean of set of observation is their sum divided by the total number of observation. See here we have few numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you have to do is, you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 observations here. So when you add them, the sum is 15 and divided by 5 you get 3. So 3 is the arithmetic mean of this observation. Median. It is the middlemost value of a data when they are arranged in an order. So they have given you a question here, you have to find the arithmetic mean. So this is not ordered ascendingly. First job when we have to find a median is you have to arrange them in an ascending order. Once you arrange them, you get this values like this. Then you have to find the mid value. So count here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The mid values are 6 and 8. So your median will be 6 plus 8 by 2. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14 by 2, which is equal to 7. 7 is the median for this observation. Mode. It is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observation and around which there is maximum concentration of values. Again, there is a few observations which are not arranged orderly. It's okay in this case. See, now we have 100, 120, 100, 120, so many things. Here, to find a mode, you see which is repeated more number of times. So in this case, 120 is repeated more number of times, hence 120 is the mode. We have an empirical relationship between mean, median and mode. So the formula for that is mode. If you have to find mode, if you know median and mean, so it is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Thank you guys. So we have done univariate analysis. We will be doing few more analysis with respect to bivariant data in the coming up videos. You're all winners. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe for my channel. Give your valuable feedbacks. I'm waiting for your feedbacks. Thank you.